The lightweight wallboard is made of calcium silicate board as the surface layer and cement, sand, fly ash and EPS particles as the core layer, which can be flexibly produced by using various local wastes. Lightweight partition wallboard has the advantages of lightweight, environmental protection, low price, waterproof, thermal insulation, sound insulation, convenient construction, earthquake resistance, and so on. It is widely used in the construction industry. The lightweight partition wallboard equipment is composed of mixing system and mold forming system. The mixing system includes automatic feeding, automatic metering, mixer, pouring hopper, etc. The mold forming system includes forming main machine and automatic board out palletizing machine, etc. Storage hopper. It is used to store fly ash, cement and other raw materials. This is screw conveyor. It is used to transport raw materials to the metering silo. Metering system. The metering scale measures the powder and the water with preset weight and cents, then to the mixer. This is mixer machine. It can mix all raw materials evenly. We use a double shaft mixer, which can mix more evenly. This is the mold car. Move the mold car to the pouring area. Forming host. Production of solid board. Sandwich board. Multi-purpose machine. Adjustable thickness. 50 to 200 mm can be produced. The pumping system will pour the evenly mixed slurry into the mold car. After natural curing about 6 hours in the workshop, then mold oven, board out and board stacking. This is fully automatic board palletizing machine. Pull the finished board out of the mold car and stack it automatically.